Hello YouTube and welcome to another vlog. This is Maverick. My name is Jeremy D'Souza and this is going to be a very short but very informative fuel efficiency vlog. But the last fuel efficiency vlog that I did was mixed conditions. This fuel efficiency vlog is going to be the best case scenario you can expect on your RS200 BS6 in 2021. Now I've done the mixed fuel efficiency test. Now I want to see if I do everything right and if I ride in the night, if I have good throttle input, if I have no traffic, what kind of fuel efficiency can I expect from my RS200? And you all might say that this is not really practical, but well, I'll argue that it is practical because when you're going touring, you're mostly doing long stretches of highway without any traffic. So this is going to be simulating that kind of a scenario. You can see my tank is empty. 5,481 kilometers on the odo. I will fill fuel at this number, full tank till the aluminium piece that's inside the fuel tank, and we're going to ride 20 kilometers on the highway, that is to Kandivali and then back. That's about 40 kilometers, and then we'll fill a liter of fuel again and see what kind of numbers we get. Hurry up man, hope you reach in time. ये जो है ना एल्यूमिनियम का, इधर तक फुल कर देना, इधर तक, ये इधर तक. हाँ सादा पेट्रोल. कार्ड है ना. पेट्रोल प्राइस इज 109.96 a liter. You all can see it. Okay. Resetting trip 1. So guys, I'm at this signal underneath the flyover, 96 seconds on the signal over there. I've completed 15.4 kilometers. I'll be turning around soon. A few notes: I have stopped the engine right now. Obviously, why would I keep the engine on for that long? Also, the slowest speed that I encountered was about 30 kilometers per hour on the highway. I have to disclose that to you because I expected it to be much faster, but then I did encounter some traffic. And the maximum I touched was 80 right now. On my way back, I think the traffic will be less, so I might push it up to 100. So let's go. So I just stopped after the cops caught me. I don't even know why the cops caught me. If you know why the cops caught me, comment down below. I had my helmet, I was wearing my mask, I'm not speeding, there's no way you can speed on that road. I don't have an illegal exhaust. I didn't rob a chain. I wonder why they caught me so late in the night. And I'm not even drunk. I mean, I know I'm not drunk. I don't consume drugs either. Interesting. And let's see how many kilometers. I've done 46 kilometers exact. We'll take it up to 48 and then I'll fill some fuel. ये आपको ये लाइन दिखाई देना ना एल्यूमिनियम का, इधर पट्टी तक भरना, फुल है लेकिन पट्टी तक भरना, फिर मेरे को हाँ पट्टी तक बस हाँ it's a little over the line. So a little over a liter, but it is also over the line.
बरोबर तेवढं टाकली तेवढी आता आली ना लेवलला तेवढी गाडी आता आतापासून पुढे किती
ऊपर गया है बस हाँ. So I just thought I'll show you my odometer readings. This is the odometer reading the next day after the test is done. So 5532 kilometers, and if I show you trip 1, 50.5. So that 50.5 is the 48 kilometers I traveled, then I filled fuel, and that 2 kilometers is the distance from the fuel station to my place. So guys, I've already done a mixed case scenario fuel efficiency test. The link will be in the description or in the cards on top, whatever. But in that test, I got a fuel efficiency figure of 40 kilometers to the liter. And then a friend of mine who has a Dominar 400 on his bike, he managed to get 40 kilometers to the liter as well. And that's a 400cc motorcycle, mind you. So I was like, okay, definitely there's more fuel efficiency that I can get from the RS200. So in the best case scenario, this test was done in the best case scenario. Good temperatures, good riding conditions. Speeds were 70 to 100 kilometers per hour, which is a very sweet spot for the RS200. Sixth gear, not a very high RPMs, obviously. If you have to maintain 100 kilometers per hour, it's not very high. So after filling the full tank, I rode for 48 kilometers. You can check the video. And then I filled 1.16 liters of fuel. But I'm going to negate the 0.16 because it went a little bit over the aluminium bar. So I'm going to take 1 liter. That means that the RS200 BS6 in 2021 has traveled 48 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel. Now let that sink in. It's a 200cc motorcycle. It has 24.5 bhp on tap, 6 gears, and it's a heavy bike. Fully fed, and it can really, the top speeds can reach up to 147, 148 kilometers per hour. Put that in context with the fuel efficiency you can get in the best case scenario. Obviously, it's not as good as the R15, but the R15 is a smaller engine. So you have to take that into context, and I think it's doing a good job. At 48 kilometers per liter, I think that means if I'm going touring, I can easily expect 45 if I'm holding slightly higher speeds. That only leaves me to think that something like the NS200, my god, it will definitely give more than 48 because it's a lighter motorcycle and the gearing is slightly different. So if the NS200, if the RS200 is so efficient, the NS200 will definitely give me, I think, 1 kilometer per liter more than the RS. And I have to say, in the full test of 48 kilometers, the radiator never came on. The natural air cooling that it was getting at those speeds, the fairing design, the aerodynamics were allowing the bike to cool on its own without needing the fan and the radiator and the coolant to actually kick in. Maybe the coolant is still working, but the radiator was not, which is great news, and it speaks volumes about the heat management on the RS200. I think this is the maximum that you can extract from the RS200's engine or any 200cc Pulsar engine, mainly because I just don't think it can. You would have to ride at 45 to 50 kilometers per hour to probably get a little bit more, but again, that's not practical. Now this was a very practical test because the speeds were as low as 30, as high as 100, pretty wide range of situations, and I've also done the mixed condition fuel efficiency test, so that gave me 40 kilometers to the liter. So you can see that there is a big variation. There's 8 kilometers to the liter to gain just by riding style. That's all for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. I hope these numbers become a talking point because it's about time that fuel efficiency and efficiency on a whole becomes a talking point, because the whole world is going towards efficiency, and the biggest brands are going towards efficiency. So I'll see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and if you don't like the video, you can press the dislike button. It helps a lot. Thank you for watching.